Have you ever wanted to explore Roblox from your iPad? Now you can with this easy step-by-step guide, perfect for beginners. Before we start, please remember to like the video and share it. It will help us a lot. Thank you. Open the App Store on your iPad and search for Roblox. Tap on the search button from the bottom. Write Roblox on the search input. Find the official Roblox app by Roblox Corporation and tap Get to download and install it. Follow the on-screen instructions. You will need to confirm the installation. Wait until the installation is done. Open the Roblox app when the app is installed. Tap Sign Up. Select your birthday and tap Confirm Birthday. Choose a unique and memorable username for your account. Create a strong password that you can remember easily. Make sure you choose a strong and unique password for your account. Don't share your password with anyone. Choose your gender. After that, tap on Sign Up. You have now created an account on Roblox on your iPad. Before we start playing on the game, it is better to add an email or a phone number. Once your account is created and verified, you can start exploring the world of Roblox. Now that you have your Roblox account set up, it's time to start exploring the endless possibilities of the platform. With millions of games to choose from, you're sure to find something that interests you. So, what are you waiting for? Join the millions of players around the world and start your Roblox adventure today. And that's it for today. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribe to my channel for more tech tips and tricks. As always, if you have any questions or requests for future videos, drop them in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.